Welcome this video. Make a shed into the tiny home, transforming a shed into a cozy and functional tiny house is an insignificant popular trend. Maximize enthusiasm of give or home owner look for affordable and afford living solution with created smart plan and a bit of hard work. A simple backyard structure can become style space whether you plan to live in its full-time use. It's as a guest house or a create a getaway retreat. This gas will help you make the transforming inspect and upgradation the structure. Should upgraded not but for your to live. So you need to inspire and structure. Check. Fun train. Its level of shaft. You make need to upgradation and to Promax fun train like connect to give basis. Frame requested to ring.